Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing 5 essential oils that are not lavender or frankincense. We'll just start by saying there is a time and place for medicine, for therapy, for other things besides essential oils. I don't want to just say this is what you need and this is the only thing that's I think that is going to help or that you should do for anxiety. There are tons of essential oils though that are so great for just helping you in combination maybe also with your breath work or whatever else that you're doing. Essential oils aren't the end all be all and the cure for anything, especially anxiety, but there are different oils that can help you, and so I'm just going to share those 5. First essential oil is bergamot. This is the kind of more earthy, limey type of citrus. It's similar to orange though. It's a good fall citrus if you want to make your fall diffuser blends that call for a citrus or for orange. It's known for mood enhancing properties and alleviating and managing stress and anxiety. And so again, I will link studies done in this blog post, but bergamot is so good. If you have never smelled bergamot, I encourage you to get it. It's one of the cheaper. Citrus oils are not super expensive, and it can be used for so many different things too. The next one is YLANG, and this is a floral romantic. I did a whole video on YLANG. Is this an aphrodisiac? And it can be used in a lot of perfume type of ways, but it's also just super relaxing if you like it. That goes for all of these. So if you have a negative response to any of these, they're not going to help reduce your stress. And so that's kind of a trial and error type of thing too. Try what oils make you feel whatever your goal is. So whether it's uplifting or calming, because not, like I said, not everyone's the same. And so YLANG might not make you feel relaxed. It might make you feel stressed because of a memory that you might have previously tied to the scent. Okay, so we're going from citrus to floral. Now this is a root oil. This is Vetiver, and if you haven't smelled it before, it is a treat. It is in a lot of different blends. It's not that I have seen usually used by itself. It is a very thick and sticky oil sacred frankincense or patchouli, cedarwood. And so it is similar to those. It's very earthy. I really love this. I really love patchouli though too. So it kind of reminds me of that in a way, but it's more, this says woody and herbaceous, where patchouli has a touch more floral. But it is so calming and so grounding. It's kind of similar in how you would use cedarwood in the same type of way. So creates just a peaceful atmosphere. Diffuse this before you go to bed. Create the atmosphere, right? So to put your diffuser on 30 minutes before bed, and then your room is just so dreamy. I love doing that. Mix it with maybe lavender. I know this video wasn't supposed to be about lavender, but lavender goes well with Vetiver for a bedtime blend. Okay, next we're going back to floral. Oh, well, this is leaves and flowers, but Clary Sage. This is I love Clary Sage so much. It's used in a lot of perfumery, but it has that effect where it's also just super calming too. It's not just super bright and in your face like some florals. So these are kind of similar, and that's why they're both in this video. But Clary Sage is known for its ability to ease nervous tension, promote relaxation. I love diffusing it, but also with some citrus. So the bergamot too, but I really love just applying it. I like making a roller and applying this topically. It just smells so good to me. I could use it as my perfume and be good for the rest of my life. Okay, then lastly is Roman chamomile, and I think mine is downstairs, so I don't have it to show, but chamomile, everyone knows that chamomile is relaxing, right? So teas, you could take a chamomile bath. I love diffusing Roman chamomile. It's actually a newer to me essential oil. I had German chamomile for a couple of years and never really had interest in getting Roman. There are 2 different ones, but it is so good. It's a little bit sweeter and it just smells so similar to me as a blue tansy type of oil, and it is blue like blue tansy too. But imagine walking through a field of dainty white flowers on a sunny summer day. That's the essence of Roman chamomile. So also just very calming, a sedative type of oil, making it a great choice for anxiety relief, promoting tranquility and relaxation. I love diffusing, but also you could use Roman chamomile topically. That's very common, and also in baths. So I hope you got some different ideas for calming, sedative type of essential oils. Besides the go-tos like lavender, cedarwood, frankincense, there are so many to choose from. Let me know what your favorites are in the comments. Again, all of our favorite brands will be linked in this blog post. If you have any questions on that though, let me know. You can always DM me on Instagram. And again, like, this is a trial. You have to try and see what works for you. Not one essential oil works for every single person. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.